This is All India Radio Shillong, the Northeast News Bulletin read by Arunachal Pradesh. Campaigning is in full swing for the Tuesday's third phase of Lok Sabha elections. 116 constituencies spread over 13 states and 2 union territories will go to polls in this phase. Voting will take place for all 26 constituencies in Gujarat, 20 in Kerala, 14 each in Maharashtra and Karnataka, 10 in Uttar Pradesh, 7 in Chhattisgarh, 6 in Odisha, 5 each in Bihar and West Bengal, 4 in Assam, 2 in Goa, 1 each in Jammu and Kashmir, Dadra Nagar Haveli, Daman and Diu and Tripura. Leaders from various political parties are holding rallies and roadshows across the country. In Arunachal Pradesh, 81.3% voter turnout was recorded in 19 polling booths where repolling was held yesterday. Polling in these booths could not take place on 11th April under the first phase due to various reasons. Fresh polling was held at 6 polling stations in Arunachal East Parliamentary Seat and 13 in Arunachal West Parliamentary Seat. Briefing media persons at Nirvachan Bhavan in Itanagar, an additional Chief Electoral Officer of the state, Kanki Darang, informed that voting percentage crossed the previous 77% in 2014. He said on 11th April the voter turnout was 77.38% and with yesterday's turnout the figure would increase. In Assam, 17 candidates are in fray for the Guwahati seat where polling will be held in the third phase on the 23rd of this month. Nearly 22 lakh voters can exercise their voting rights. All India Radio correspondent reports that the seat is expected to see a direct fight between the Congress and the BJP. BJP has fielded former Guwahati Mayor Queen Ojha against Congress candidate Bobita Sarma. The BJP has given ticket to Miss Ojha, replacing the sitting MP Bijaya Chakravarti. All the candidates are trying to attract the voters through rallies, roadshows and door-to-door campaign. Multiple issues including Citizenship Amendment Bill, development of Guwahati City, drinking water facilities are dominating the campaigning for the seat. Anticipating repetition of violence like first phase polling in Tripura, the Election Commission of India has sent 28 companies of Central Paramilitary Forces to East Tripura parliamentary constituency, where repolling is scheduled on April 23rd. Besides state police and TSR, 64 companies of CPF has been deployed for ensuing Lok Sabha election. But even then, the Election Commission of India has received series of allegations of large-scale malpractices and unlawful activities inside the polling booths in first phase poll in West Tripura on April 11th. Returning Officer of West Tripura Parliamentary Constituency, Dr. Sandeep M. Mahatme, has directed respective AROs to initiate proceedings against the erring micro-observers, presiding officers and polling staff for misconduct during voting in West Tripura. Going without ration for 20 days, an organization of the Bru refugees living in relief camps in Tripura on Saturday threatened to loot a government godown. The Mizoram Bru Displaced People's Forum expressed concern at the delay of supply of ration to the relief camps for the last 20 days, while it should have reached them by the 5th of this month. Around 35,000 Brus are sheltered in 6 camps at Kanchanpur subdivision in North Tripura district after they fled from neighbouring Mizoram in phases following ethnic clashes with the Mizos since 1997. The 3-day annual congregation of the Seng Khasi Sein Raij, also known as Ka Lympung, held in Mawngap village in East Khasi Hills district of Meghalaya, will conclude today, where a large number of people belonging to the Hindu community are expected to take part with religious fervour and gaiety. The 3-day program is being organized by Shillong, an organization which was formed by Seng Khasi Sein Raij to strive hard for the preservation of religious heritage, rites, rituals, customs and usage of the Hindu community. The 3-day program is marked with erection of monoliths, folktale narrations, community prayer, dance, quiz and debate. The Christians of Northeastern region today join the Christian world to celebrate the Easter Sunday to commemorate the resurrection of Jesus Christ. Easter Sunday, which is also known as the Resurrection Sunday, is being celebrated in the churches with Easter Sunday Mass and various prayer services. Easter, which symbolizes hope, renewal and new life, is a time to rejoice and gratitude for Jesus Christ's redemptive work for mankind. And with that, we end the Northeast News Bulletin from All India Radio, Shillong. Have a nice day.